It's opening day of Oklahoma muzzleloader. I got the CVA all primed up and ready. Gonna hunt over here on the south side. Got a northwest wind, so I'm walking in on the south side. Just gonna set up on the ground, old-fashioned, old style. Get up next to a tree, throw out some old southern fire doe estrus, and see what happens. Probably gonna bang the horns too. Maybe, it's evening. I don't think I've ever rattled a deer in the evening, but I might try it. Boy, we're gonna try something. I'm excited. First day of my week vacation, and 1 week of muzzleloader season. We're gonna see if we can get it done. I'm gonna get out there. Y'all stay tuned.
Oklahoma black powder season. I'm still amazed every year at how many people don't shoot black powders. I've been shooting these things for years and I absolutely love it. And Oklahoma's muzzleloader season is at the perfect time to catch a big buck making a big mistake. I've dropped one of my biggest bucks this way. Every year I take a week's vacation so I can get out and hunt crazy week, as my dad used to call it. The leaves are turning colors, fall has hit really hard by then, and I tell you what, there is no prettier time to be out in God's creation.
I'm hunting on the trough feeder. We just filled it up yesterday. Hoping that big doe comes back, man. She gives us fits every time she's here. She's a big old doe. Cold. Whew. Wet. That's why I'm in this barn. It's been raining. It ain't raining now, but all morning. Cold, wet. Seen a buck chasing a doe this morning as I was driving in. It's like overnight, everything's kicked up. The rutting activity has kicked up. Scrapes have opened up. We're seeing tons of rubs. It's just, November is a day away, and it is getting good. But I'm kind of just wanting a big old doe right now. And I'm self-filming today. Gonna try and get everything, but you never know. And got the old CVA. If y'all watched this show, watched my show, that thing's been there since I started this YouTube channel. That's a good gun. I got more confidence in that gun than any other gun. Gonna quiet down, it's getting good. Drink some coffee and do some serious, comfortable hunting. All I did was, there's an old barn here. I threw some hay bales up against it. And I'm sitting on a hay bale, just, about 50 yards from that feeder. We'll see what happens. Well, I think the hunt for Amber is over. She came out with her little one, and I think I put a heck of a good shot on her. Boy, she went straight up and barreled off. So, I'm gonna get my boots back on. Yes, I said get my boots back on. It's freezing cold. But I bought these booties. These things are so warm. That is one smart doe. God, she's so nervous. Every time she comes in, she is on alert. They've got hot hands. Well, I can tell I'm getting old. Big doe down, baby.
I've always felt I was born a couple hundred years too late. Maybe that's why I enjoy muzzleload hunting so much. For a brief moment in time, I am connected with those mountain men of the past and harvesting wild game with a primitive weapon. Even if it's not so primitive,